Hey guys, this is AirsoftChild, and today we're going to do a shooting review of this. It's my HA202 B, I think. Well, it's just a HA202. It's a HFC SA80. It's got a Suzat mount here, which I've taken the actual Suzat sight off. I put a rail there for an optic, you know, like a red dot. And I've put a rear aperture. And up here I've put another rail and my MP7 sight. So we're going to be shooting the same range as usual. It's the back of my garden. It's 20 meters, which is 60 feet, and 10 rounds in the mag, 0.20 gram BBs. So we'll just load it up. I'm going to take this rod, put it right down. There should be a little catch, should go in place. See the catch? Push that in place. And you just put your BBs in one by one. Drop one. It'll be good. So, I've only loaded 10 in, so I'm just going to put the rod in, lift it up. One of them fell out, so it looks like we're only doing 9 shots. Unless I can, I'll just get another. Alright, so I'm going to put our magazine in, rifle over to the side, cock it back, let it forward, and just for kicks we're going to put the dust cover off. So like I said, usual 20 meters. See if we can get us so I think that's an adequate view there. So I haven't adjusted these sights yet, just so you know. Excuses already, right? That was over to the left. That was about a foot over to the left. Oh, that would have hit if it wasn't for that stupid little plant thing. Oh, about 2 inches to the left. Over to the left. Oh, that fired 2. 2. Okay, looks like we're having some issues with this. 1. Okay, so we didn't get any hits on the cam. It's clearly got some feeding issues, and this isn't really a skirmishing gun. You know, it gets taken by the wind too easily. Doesn't have a hop up, but it really does look the part and it feels the part, which is why I got it really. All of those rounds would have hit a man-sized target, just not a can, which is about 7 inches tall by about 3 inches wide. So that's the HFC HA202. I'll see you guys later.